Good morning, dear friends and followers. This is William Ordonez Cumilang Jr., living in Villasis, Pangasinan, Philippines. I'd like to show you the school where I studied from 1986 to 1990. And by God's grace, I was able to complete the course Bachelor of Theology, BTAs. And that is why I became a pastor, full-time pastor, for 14 years. This is now the school. Yan po aming school building. Sa taas ay classrooms. Sa baba ay different offices ng mga school officials. At itong aming covered court. Pero na ako nag-aral dito ay hindi pa ganyan kaganda. This is a multi-purpose covered court. Dito ginaganap iba't ibang conferences, seminars, fellowships, at sports. Pwede rin maging parking space, as you can see. At itong aming front garden. Tingnan po ninyong punong kayo. Luntian, berdeng-berde. Stress reliever siya, di ba? Pleasing to the eyes. Meron ding bulaklak, siyempre. Bougainvillea, oh. Hi. And that house serves us a dwelling place for the missionaries and guests. Meron siyang waiting shed. Oh, dyan oh. Suntan. Ang ganda. At yan po ang aming gate. Villasis Road to Asingan, Pangasinan. At yan po ang aming house of worship. Simpleng sasakyan. At meron dadaan, dumaang tricycle. Magpapaaraw muna ako. Ang sarap sa feeling sa pagdampi po ng sinag ng araw. Ang sarap kung pagkain ay yummy. Sarap sa feeling. Ako po'y usad papunta sa ibang place. Ako po isang PWD. As you can see, ako po ay nakaupo sa aking wheelchair. This campus, this Bible school is owned by Philippine Bible Methodist Church Incorporated. At dito po nag-aaral mga estudyante. This is a study shed. At meron din kami playground. Yan po. At yan po ang bahay ng school administrator. Yung maliit na building po roon ay Bible Methodist Christian Academy. Ang lumang girls dormitory. Pero good news, we have a new girls dormitory sa itaas. Sa baba ay boys. So that building is called students dormitory. At dito po ako nakatira kasi libre po ang bahay tsaka tubig, pati ilaw po rito ng mga nagtuturo. At itong aking classroom. Bakit po? Kasi meron pong hagdan doon, hindi pa ako makaakyat. Kaya ako po yung nagpagawa ng aking classroom po rito. Adjacent to our house.